Okay, we're going to cover turning on your thermostat for the first time and programming it so you can use it. And this is the Touch thermostat. First thing it's going to ask you is for the language, and you see it auto dims on its own. If there's no activity in a few seconds, it'll go down to a dimmer look. All you have to do to get it back is to touch the screen again. So we're going to choose English, hit next. We're going to do a system test, and it's going to do that automatically. Right now it does not see a floor sensor. We do not have it attached, so it's telling us that. Next thing we're going to do is the ground fault test, and to do that, there is a button at the top of the thermostat. We're going to press that, and we should see a light come on the side. Ground fault detected. Press the button on the side, and it will clear that out. So the ground fault tester is working correctly. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to set it for Fahrenheit in the US, and it's going to be Celsius in Canada. The floor load. This load is where you tell the thermostat how many watts your system is, and it will tell you on your order on what size roll or mat you buy. It'll tell you how many watts on the label itself. So what you do is you enter that value in right here by using the up and down keys. If you don't have it in front of you, you can continue on and set this later. We'll hit next. The next one is the sensor type. It defaults to the 10 kilo ohm version, and that's the version that comes in the box with this, so just keep it for the default. If you want to set it for a 12 kilo ohm, that is for thermostats manufactured by OJ a few years ago. So if you have an old OJ thermostat you're replacing, you would change it to 12 kilo ohms. We're going to keep it at 10. And here's where it allows you to set the date. You use the up and down keys to change the month. You use the up and down keys to change the day. And you use the up and down keys to change the year. We are going to default at month, day and year. If you are somewhere else in the world, they commonly put it as day, month, and year. But we're going to keep it at the default, which is what's most often used in North America. Hit next. And here's where we set the time, and we will set the time to be the correct hour. And you can choose AM or PM here. If you are in Canada, or if you're an ex-military and you like the 24-hour time display, you can touch here and it will make it into the 24-hour clock. But here in the US, we're going to keep it at AM and PM. Next thing we're going to do, it's automatically set at laminate. So if you have a laminate floor, or if you have engineered wood or something like that, that the heating system is going directly under, you would want to keep it here at laminate. The reason why it defaults to laminate is because it's the lowest temperature. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install this for a tile floor. Most people that put floor heating in, or a great portion of them, use tile flooring. So we're going to choose tile and go next, and your thermostat will begin heating the floor.